Do you want to update Microsoft Word? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. For Microsoft 365 users on Windows. Updating Microsoft Word is a straightforward process. Here is how you can do it. Open the Word application. Click on File in the tab bar. In the sidebar on the home screen, select Account. Look in the right column of options and click the Office Updates button. In the menu that appears below it, click Update Now. Office will check for updates and install them if necessary. If you have the latest version of Word, you will see a message that says, "You are up to date." Method 2. For Microsoft 365 users on Mac. Open the Word app. On the menu bar at the top of the screen, click Help. Then select Check for Updates. Office will open Microsoft Auto Update to check for updates. Then download and install any available updates. Method 3. For standalone Word app purchased from an app store. On a Mac, open the App Store and click Updates in the sidebar. Locate the Word app, and if there is an update button located beside it, click it to install updates. On Windows, open the Microsoft Store app, then click Library in the sidebar. In your list of apps, locate Microsoft 365 Office. If there is an update available, you will see an update button nearby. Click it. If there is an open button, then you are already using an updated version of the Office. Method 4. Receive automatic updates. Press Windows plus I keys to open Settings menu. Select Windows Update. Select Advanced Options. Toggle on the button for Receive updates for other Microsoft products. Method 5. For legacy versions of Word. Microsoft provides standalone installation files for Windows on its website. You can contact Microsoft support. It also provides instructions on how to check for updates on several older versions of Word. If you encounter any issues while updating, such as error messages or the update not completing, Microsoft has a troubleshooting guide to help resolve common problems. Remember to ensure your PC is connected to the internet during this process. What to do if you want to update Office but cannot open the Office apps? Then repair your Office suite. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Select Programs and Features. Right-click on Microsoft Office from the app list. Select the Change option. Select Quick Repair and click on the Repair option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. And there you have it, the methods to update Microsoft Word or Office. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.